Good morning guys, and in front of me is HammerBlade 3 and let me show you how to force restart of this device. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with a volume up button. Keep holding. And once you're in boot mode, just use this volume up button to choose the option, and all you have to do is to select normal and tap on power button to confirm. Actually, volume down is for OK, so to confirm you need to use volume down button. And now wait till your device is rebooted. And that's it, now you can unlock your device and use it in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.